So this is our flyer.
Yeah.
It basically incorporates our new Sense experience for tablets. You can see how it looks. You slide up, you have this rich carousel of 3D animations where you can scroll through the different widgets, rich widgets, which allow you to really do more with the kind of big 7-inch screen.
So these are all widgets, so it's not really mandatory to use them if you don't want to.
It's all fully customizable. You can remove, add, whatever you want. I think it's quite exciting to see our weather experience on this phone. As you know, historically HTC has been working very hard on providing the weather information in a rich and intuitive way. Unfortunately, the kind of Wi-Fi connection is a little bit congested at the moment in here, but in a minute we should be able to get information about the weather update. So, sorry about that.
That's okay.
So you'll be able to see how we made the most out of this space available on the screen. So for example, now you have your music player, and it's not only about being able to fast forward and back, you can also see the latest albums that you've been playing so that you get access really to the functions that you use the most. The same happens with people. We've been working a lot in our people experience so that you can go to a contact and then from there access to all the emails, to all the calendar related information, access to all the information related to that person. This is what we call people-centric communication.
Yeah.
We also have, of course, rich widgets for browsing your pictures in one flick. All very intuitive, very easy to use. Same for email, or even we have a rich set of books for you to browse and read. And this is where the kind of interesting part comes, the fact that you have what we call the HTC Scribe technology, which allows you to scribble, to make annotations, to really interact with your basically every part of the tablet experience in a way that has never been seen before.
So you can use the pen?
So that way we can select, for example, what kind of pen we want. We can go for this one, and we can annotate part of the text which you find interesting. You can decide to take a note. You can scribble there.
And you need to use that pen, or is any pen?
Exactly. This is a specific pen for our tablet. You will find that there are 2 keys in that pen, which will allow you to delete text, or even to, for example, select part of the text which maybe you want to share later with someone else. So basically this is the kind of notes experience that we are developing. And one interesting thing is that you can actually scribble on any part of the device. For example, I can tap in here, and that way I can highlight an important Facebook post from one of my friends, and then just share with my colleagues using whatever method of communication I prefer to use. It's also quite interesting to see how we can create new notes. So we can go to the Notes application, we can go back